Are you aware of this niche where channels with less than 100 uploads are racking up millions of views? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I create these stunning epoxy flooring transformation videos using AI tools. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT. Instead of typing a generic prompt, go up to Explore GPTs and search for epoxy. You'll see a bunch of options come up. The one I use is called Floor Transformation. It's got over 100,000 conversations. Click on it, hit Start, and it gives you 10 interior spaces to choose from. I'm going with number 4, the bedroom. Just type the number, hit Enter, and watch what happens. The GPT gives you 4 image prompts. These take you from a raw, empty bedroom all the way to a fully finished, furnished space with stunning epoxy floors. A visual story in 4 frames. Copy the first prompt, then head over to Higgsfield AI. If you've seen my other tutorials, you already know how to use this. It's one of the cleanest AI image and video tools out there. Go to Images at the top and select the image model to use. I'm going with Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt in, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and Instagram, bump the resolution to 2K, and hit Generate. I always generate a few options to give myself choices. Pick the image you like best. Here's the key move. Click Reference on your chosen image. This locks the room's structure, so your next image stays consistent. Same walls, same layout, just more progress on the floor. Paste in prompt 2 copied from the GPT, generate again, pick your best, set it as the new reference, remove the old reference image, and repeat. By the end, you'll have 4 images that flow seamlessly from start to finish. Download all of them. Scroll back down in the GPT. Below the image prompts, you'll find video prompts. Read through them. If there's anything you want to see that's not mentioned, just add it. The AI handles the heavy lifting. For video generation, I've tested a lot of tools, and Kling 3.0 gives me the best results for this type of content. Go to Video at the top and select Kling 3.0. Use the Start and End Frame option. Upload your first image as the start frame, second image as the end frame, paste in your first video prompt, and leave the audio on. You want those realistic worker sounds. They make a huge difference in watch time. Set your duration, go with 1080p, and hit Generate. Repeat for each image pair, 2 to 3, then 3 to 4. Feel free to tweak the prompts slightly along the way. Now you've got 3 clean video clips. Last step. I use CapCut. It's free, fast, and does exactly what we need. Open CapCut, drag your clips into the media panel, drop them onto the timeline in order. Trim out anything you don't want, slow starts, awkward endings, add smooth transitions if you like. Export. That's it. And this is what the final result looks like. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this video. And if you want more tutorials on using AI to grow your channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment below. Which space would you pick? Kitchen, garage, something else? I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.